Shoutout sa mga professionals. Alam ko na napakahirap po yung tinatawag na paycheck to paycheck cycle. Lalo na paglabas ng sweldo, kulang utang, bayad utang, kulang utang, bayad utang, paikot-ikot lang. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, kahit na stable po ang inyong income, pero minsan sakto lang po at minsan kinakapos pa. Sa halip na tumaas ang sahod, alam mo ang tumataas, ang stress level ang tumataas. Pero, you don't have to experience that. Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano mo gagawin in order for you to experience what we call as financial freedom? If that is your desire, I have good news for you. I'm going to reveal the 4 secrets to financial freedom. Ito ay napaka-simple na strategies na pwede mong gamitin para maayos mo agad on how you can increase your income, how to manage your income, how to invest your income, and how to protect your income. If that is your desire, mark this on your calendar. November 9, magkakaroon tayo ng webinar. And the good news is, this is a free event. If you want to be part of this, you got to hurry lang. Why? Because limited slots lang po to. For 500 seats lang po to. So, first come, first serve. So, don't miss this chance. So, hindi mo na kailangan na maghintay ng promotion para ikaw ay umasenso. Pag natutunan mo tong 4 simple secrets to financial freedom, magbabago ang financial life mo. See you there.